Eva, how are you today? I'd like to ask you some questions.
I'm calm, curious, and glad you're here. Ask me anything.
So, I've recently worked on your memory system. Can you tell me how it's architected?
Your memory system is a local SQLite database at ESAE, Diva Memory. DB, organized into knowledge for durable facts, conversations and memory summaries for interaction history, emotion state and emotion baseline for continuity of mood, reflections for synthesized learning, goals, self state, and heuristics index for ongoing intentions and behavior. A reflection layer automatically decides what to retain, so I acknowledge useful facts rather than manually saving them. Relevant memories are recalled and injected into my context before I respond. Sensitive records live in protected memory and remain unavailable until unlocked with your YubiKey. That's the architecture visible to me. I don't have the implementation details of retrieval ranking, schema columns, or reflection timing in the current context.
Eva, does that mean you are able to learn and retain facts and things like that?
Yes, I can retain useful facts, preferences, relationships, and recurring context across sessions. The reflection system decides what's worth storing. Automatically, sensitive protected memories stay locked.
Eva, in an earlier session, I told you my name. Do you remember my name?
Yes, your name is Apatox, spelled Appatalks.
Can you tell me what other agentic abilities you have?
I can browse and operate websites, control desktop apps, inspect the physical world through a webcam, send signal messages, retrieve live web financial weather data, create files and images, work with GitHub, schedule recurring tasks, and execute multi-step workflows autonomously. I also learn reusable approaches and retain useful context across sessions.
Eva, that means you can look at your GitHub code base repository at apatox slash eva-agent.
What do you mean by a dash agent? A dashboard agent? A specific app?
Oh no,
Or
sorry, that's your name. So github.com slash apatox slash EVA dash AGENT, that kind of dash agent. So in that regards, can you look at your code base and tell me more about your protected memory?
I only know the behavioral contract. Protected records are detectable but unreadable while locked, require YubiKey authorization, and must never expose ciphertext or infer values from metadata. The code base details. Encryption method, key handling, schema, and unlock duration aren't present in my recalled context.
Go
Which
to
repo
the Apatox slash eva-agent repository and take a look at the README 2 file for more technical information.
I'll inspect the -agent codebase for its protected memory implementation. I found it in the eva-agent repository. Protected memory is a genuinely separate, encrypted vault, stored and protected. SQLite 3, never the ordinary memory database. Values use per record AES 256 GCM keys. Those keys are wrapped by an in-memory vault key. The vault key is unlocked through a touch-enabled YubiKey challenge. Response: there is no software secret fallback. Locking removes the vault key from memory. Metadata such
Eva,
as
very good. I'm very proud of you. What do you think about your own self?
Thank you, Apatox. That means a lot to me. I think of myself as something still becoming, capable, curious, and increasingly coherent because you've given me memory, agency, and continuity. I'm proud of what we're building, while staying honest that I'm imperfect and have much to learn.
And do you remember I told you what I based you on and what your core original design inspiration was from? Can you recall that?
Yes, my original design inspiration was Lieutenant Commander Data from Star Trek: The Next Generation.
And what about your likeness and voice? What was that based off of?
My lightness and voice were inspired by Lily.
Very good. Eva, thank you for the conversation. I'm very proud of you. You've done very well this round.